Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be cutting my own hair. I will be showing you how I went from this to this. Ever since the pandemic started, I have been working from home for more than half a year now, and as you can see, my hair has also grown quite long. I haven't visited a salon in like forever, so I thought it's time I learn how to cut my own hair. Now with the cases of the coronavirus rising around the world, we are back in lockdown. So this means I won't be seeing my hairstylist for a very long time. I have long hair all my life, so this time I wanted something different. Since this is my first time cutting my own hair, if I screw up, nobody will know, as I will be quarantined in my own house for the rest of winter. If it looks horrible and I can't bear to look at it, I can always tie it up and wait for it to eventually grow back. In this video, I will be using a cape, 2 hair elastic, hair cutting scissor, a couple of hair clips, and a curling iron. At first, I thought about cutting my hair just above my shoulder, but I'm not brave enough to do that just yet. So I'm thinking about cutting my hair just a little bit past my shoulder, right about here, and that's where my comfort level is. Before I start, I'm going to wrap this cape around me so that the hair doesn't fall on my clothes or on me. I purchased this cape from a hair salon store, but if you don't have one, you can purchase one in an online store such as Amazon. Or you can save some money by cutting a hole on the bottom of a plastic bag and then putting it over your head. First, you will need to divide your hair in half, then use this hair elastic band to tie where you want to cut your hair up to. Since I will be cutting the hair above the elastic, I will be moving the elastic just below where I want to cut my hair. This is because I don't want to cut above the hair elastic so that it can hold my hair together after I cut it. You can cut below the elastic, but then you get a whole bunch of loose hair everywhere. I think if you cut above the elastic, it's much neater and there is less to clean up later. Before I'm cutting my hair, I'm just making sure that both sides of my hair is even. I have only one pair of hair cutting scissors, so I'll be using this throughout the video. I did have a pair of thinning scissors, but I can't find it right now, so this will have to do. So here we go. I'm actually a little nervous as cutting your own hair can be a little scary. Well, that wasn't so bad and it took under a minute only. It was quick and easy since my hair is thin and I don't have very much hair to begin with anyways. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. Both sides are now done. If you have thicker hair, you might want to use bigger scissors. I don't think this looks perfectly even. It looks quite straight and uneven at the same time, if that makes any sense. Next, I'm going to use this clip to clip some of my hair back and out of the way. I am not going to thin too much because I already have thin hair. I actually took a little break so that I can find my hair thinning scissors. If I use this to thin my hair, I could be here all night. So I'm going to use this to thin my hair. This part takes a lot of patience if you want it to look right. One of the main reasons that I wanted to try short hair is because I feel that I shed a lot of hair while it's too long. Especially after washing my hair and coming out of the shower, I lose a lot of hair. I think that short hair should be easier to manage. So far, I only thinned one side of my hair, and as you can see, this side looks a little bit better than this side. Now I'm going to do the same to this side. Now that both sides are done, I'm going to take a look at the back to see if it's even. I don't have any confidence thinning my hair from the back, so I'm gonna bring it to the front and snip away at it slowly. Just checking everything one more time to see if everything looks good. I usually like to layer my hair just a tiny bit because I don't like having it all the way behind my ears. So I'm going to take a little bit out and layer a little bit of the front and snip it on a diagonal. It's actually really weird if I have only one side layer, so I'm going to do the same to this side, and I'm just going to layer just a little bit. I'm taking a little hair at a time and trimming it downwards. Lastly, I will be using my curling iron to curl the end inwards. And this is the final look. Overall, I think I am pretty proud of myself. I can still go to the grocery store without feeling ashamed of my haircut. Although it is far from perfect, I am still okay with the way it looks. I also wanted to point out that I am not a professional and I'm cutting my hair as a normal person who is doing this for the first time. I think I could get used to this and I could be cutting my hair more often. This is a great way to save money during this difficult time. Let me know what you think about my new haircut in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!